Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and we're gonna see what happened in the gold here on the 15-minute chart, of course, where we see a little bit of volatility here, and potentially, of course, we have a finished wave 1, yeah, as an impulse, but this correction here, it took a little bit more time than usual, of course, for wave 2. But we still, of course, potentially that we have finished another 1, 2 here, another 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. If this doesn't unfold toward the upside, that means, of course, this timing is a little bit taking much more than requested or required. But on the 5-minute, you can also have a potential here of a corrective wave triangle, which it means, of course, it turns it, of course, into an ABC here, because a wave 2 is not allowed to be a triangle unless, of course, we're gonna keep it up, of course, as impulsive here, where we see already an impulse 1 2 1 2, and then you would like to see a massive move toward the upside. However, we have to be careful with it, but it is basically it's still fine. The gold's still looking strong and still looking, of course, for higher prices. We're still looking to finish as well an ABC toward the upside. The wave C has to unfold soon or later. But we already start to see some strength signal here from our blue boxes as expected. The 1-to-1 fib level was not really exactly touched, but was very close. It has finished kind of like 5 waves down directly in one single move. And that might be, of course, the situation right now, that we see a delay a little bit with the move toward the upside. But we're gonna see, guys. We're gonna see, of course, step by step. The target is still the same, the 3,372, I would say, for the wave 3. And then, of course, we still have 4 and a 5 to be unfolding toward the upside. So the next blue box as a target might be exactly over there. As a target. Yep, so these are the possibilities for the gold. I think that this corrective wave has to unfold something for higher sooner or later, whether it is corrective or it is bullish. So it needs, of course, a high before we move toward the downside, that it can be able to move toward the downside. It needs, of course, a high. There is a lot of greed still in the gold market and still looking for a little bit higher, but at least correctively, to satisfy, of course, the greed, and then moving toward the downside for a correction. And then, of course, 4K to be unfolding after the hit of the 3K in an aggressive move after all. Of course, we're gonna watch it step by step. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.